Just wanted to give you all a little bit of an update why this channel has been so stagnant for a while. I've been busy. I've had a few different developments pop up in the last month. My ex came back into my life, got my family going again, shown really what she wants to be with me. So yeah, got my kids back and everything else, and life's doing good. The boat's been sidelined a little bit, sorry, but that's how it is. But what I'm also doing, I'm still trucking. Having some rough times with work, a bit my own doing, but looks like I might be trying to get back in my own truck again, is what I'm thinking about doing. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of everything. I am going to still be fixing up the boat and posting the boat and all. It's going to be just a couple of months. But I'm also working towards getting back in my own truck, putting my authority through, start my own company, which I'll be putting on here too. I might just change it to Penwolf's Adventures. We'll see. But either way, still going to have the boat, still going to have the rebuild of the boat, and it's going to have the truck. So, and me trucking, I'm going to start putting that in here too. We'll just do everything. The heck with it, right? So, stay tuned. I'll start putting stuff up here shortly again. Sorry, like I said, I've been sidelined. It's just the way it is. I've been busy. But one thing, since it's October, we got the election coming up. One thing for America, please. One thing. Vote for who you think is best. This is a free country. We have the right to vote for who we believe is best. Quit all this team crap. Do your homework. See who you think's the best candidate. Vote for him. Stay free. Welcome to America.